Yeah. Okay, ma'am, a very orthodox question right now. Finance or marketing in India, which of these fields has a greater scope at this point of time?
You want us to be diplomatic or?
You want us to be honest.
I want you all to be honest.
So whenever a student comes to me, I say both have their pros
Yeah.
and cons, of course.
It's what you want.
Yeah, it's what your liking is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
As per your skill, how and what do you enjoy the most? Okay. So my biggest mistake was I went somewhere where I never enjoyed. Okay.
Yeah.
But it taught me something. It taught me to be a better human being. It taught me a lot of aspects of finance as well. Okay. So say for example, if I tell you about finance, you will make quick money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The hikes will be huge. We both are in the same boat. So the hikes will be huge, right?
Yeah.
And for me, finance was a monotonous job. Okay. But
Yeah.
for me, because I used to love marketing. I used to enjoy creativity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now that is where my thinking changes, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Marketing for me is a little slow money making, but yes, creativity, out of the box, critical thinking, everything, I would go for marketing.
Right,
Okay. So
right.
that's what my liking is. That's where my heart lies.
Right.
And that's what I always advise my students also,
Right,
that
right.
wherever your heart lies, wherever you enjoy,
Right.
right? If you enjoy studying taxes, if you enjoy, say, doing a lot of compliances, go
Right.
for finance,
Right.
right?
Right.
You will enjoy it.
Right.
Like I enjoy digital marketing. I enjoy learning about it even at this age. I would not say that, okay, I don't want to learn what is Instagram or what is YouTube and how to create a video. If I do that, then that means I'm in the wrong field.
Yeah.
And to be in the right field, you should enjoy it at any age, wherever you are in your life. And that's what my mantra is.
I mean, that's honestly very well put, ma'am.
So I think finance marketing, like she already mentioned, it depends on what you want to do.
Yeah.
You need to know both.
Yeah.
You to thrive and to be successful, you need
Right.
to know both.
Right.
Today, if you don't know what to do with your money, you can't understand finance, you don't know how to invest, there's no point, because you're making money, you need to know how to invest, right? You need to understand money. At the same time, if you are someone who wants to start up your own business and you have the best product, you have the best mind, you have the best of the service, but you don't know how to sell, again, you're not going to be successful. So both have their own things. In terms of education, if you're saying, if you are someone who possesses or are already naturally good at a skill which is close to marketing, study finance.
Okay.
If you are someone who is good at understanding money, understands how to invest, understands statements, today there are so many aids to help you analyze things, right? Today technology you don't need to sit and understand what is a balance sheet.
Yeah.
There are systems to give you answers to it.
Yeah.
You need to understand it, right? And if you already have the acumen, go for marketing, because that is a skill that you need to learn.
Right.
So it depends on, exactly like she said, what you want to do, but both are equally important in their own ways. It's more what caters to you.
But if you talk about India as a country, which field do you think will continue to have the greater scope as compared
Technology.
to the others? Okay.
Technology
AI.
is in finance marketing. Without technology, you're not going anywhere.
Okay,
Today,
okay.
marketing. Earlier, marketing was very different. You would make ads, you would do PR. Today, you have to know digital marketing.
Right,
You
right.
can't
Yeah,
survive. So,
yeah.
technology is the basic thing you need to be successful. You need to know to be successful.
Right.
In fact, I find it tougher for the younger generation, because they really need to strive hard.
Yeah.
They really need to learn a lot.
I feel
Before
it's
going
also-
out there, it's much more tougher.
Right. And